Hi, this is Peter with you again for True North Marine's presentation for the Marine Radio Licence exam answers. So this is presentation number 9, covering questions 121 to 135. Question 121. Secrecy or confidentiality does not apply to which of the following? So the correct answer would be D. Distress broadcasts are not subject to any secrecy or confidentiality regulations. Private calls, etc., or ship's business or personal email, of course, are subject to those privacy rules. Question 122. What does the word received indicate during an exchange of communications? Received means that I have received and understand your message. B is the correct answer. Question 123. What part of the VHF radio wave is used for communication purposes? It's the ground wave or surface wave. So A is the correct answer. And the explanation from the handbook is there on the right-hand side for you. Question 124. What Australian organisation issues DSC identity numbers? That is the Australian Maritime Safety Authority, AMSA. You can go to their website if you wish, amsa.gov.au. D is the correct answer. Question 125. What does the safety signal Securite indicate? So this is a navigational warning signal. So B is the correct answer, that the vessel has a weather or navigational warning to transmit. Question 126. What expression should be used to acknowledge a received distress message? So the correct format is received Mayday. A is the correct answer. Question 127. What does the word over indicate during radio telephony communications? Over means that I have received and understand your message. B is the correct answer. How many digits identify the MMSI of a DSC controller in question 128? That is 9 digits. Australian vessels always have an MMSI that starts with 503. That's a country code, and then six digits after that. It's 9 digits, and if you compare that to your mobile phone digits, there are 10. So MMSI, Maritime Mobile Service Identity numbers, have 9 digits. Question 129. What type of station will be issued with an MMSI preceded with 111? Well, you won't find this in the handbook because I've looked through the handbook many, many times and it does not actually come up anywhere in there. But you could Google it if you want, because that's what I did. And it'll tell you there that specialist search and rescue aircraft are issued with the MMSI 111. So A is the correct answer if you ever get this question in an exam. Question 130. Which of the following channels may be used for routine vessel-to-vessel communications? And the correct answer is C, channel 72, working channel. That's your correct answer for question 130. Question 131. What is the general rule for the use of MFHF frequencies during the daytime? Well, there's the section that comes from the Marine Radio Handbook on the right hand side, and the correct answer is D. The higher the frequency, the greater the communication distance by day. That's the question, says by day, so that would be the correct answer. What qualification does an operator of a VHF marine transceiver require in accordance with the Radio Communications Act of 1992? So of the choices here, The one which is the minimum level is a Short Range Operator's Certificate of Proficiency, SROCP. So A is the correct answer. Is an EPIRB an accepted alternative to a radio transceiver for question 133? The answer is no. An EPIRB transmits to overhead satellites and relays that signal back to they relay it back down to Earth to local user terminals, LUTs, who then relay that to rescue coordination centers. So it's not an alternative to a radio in any way, shape or form. D is the correct answer. Question 134. What is the accepted radio telephony procedure for calling on VHF? So VHF, you can call the other station once or twice, and you can identify yourself once or twice. So you have a choice there. So in the examples we've got for selection, we can see that A says, Marine Rescue Wooleye, this is Red Dragon, over. So that would be the correct choice out of the others that are available. We do not, on VHF, have to call 3 times. 3 times applies to distress situations, or in MFHF, calling situations. We call 3 times. Question 135. Which of the following describes duplex radio telephone operation? So there's your section from the handbook, and B is the correct answer. 2-way simultaneous speech communication using paired frequencies. Okay, thanks for staying with me up to question 135 so far in presentation number 9. See you in the next presentation, but this is Peter for now, and thank you.